Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing Saturday Mutt. It is a 2-wall line dance, the front and the back wall, and it's 8 counts of 8, right? But the unique thing about this dance is the hook has these particular 4 counts of 8, and then the verse has these particular 4 counts of 8. So we're going to teach it that way. Anytime you hear the hook of the song, you dance, you do these 4 counts. Anytime you hear the verse, you do these 4 counts, all right? Now, the hook, what is the hook? It's how he actually starts the song. He starts it, she said, take your time, what's the rush? Doo-doo. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. That's the hook, all right? I know I can't sing, I don't care, I'm grown, I can do whatever. All right, so I'm going to teach it that way. I'm going to teach you the 4 counts to the hook and then the 4 counts to the verse, all right? So let's go. All right, so turning my back to make it easier to follow. All right, this is my right, this is my left, right? First count of 8 of the hook. We are going to step with our right and we're going to dip our hips, push it forward, all right? So we're going to step 1, dip 2, okay? So dip 2, that's it, right? Dip 2, step back, 3 and 4, step 5, dip, hit on 6, come back, 7 and 8. So dip 2, right, dip 2, left, right, left. Right? Each dip is 2 counts, is what I'm trying to say. Hopefully that came across. Okay. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? From here, second count of 8 is going to be, you're going to weave to the left. All right? So it starts cross over at the front, cross over the right with the front, out, back, and front. Okay? You've probably seen this in another dance. Let's try that again. Cross front, out, cross back, and cross front. Okay? And then from here, step out with the left, out, together, right, together. Okay? Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step out, 6, step out, 8. Okay? Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, out, cross back, out, cross front, out, together, right, out, together. Okay? So now let's put those 2 counts of 8 together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Dip. Right, dip left, left, right, left. Cross right, out, cross and cross, left, out together, right, out together. We got it? All right, those are the first 2 counts of 8. The second 2 counts of 8, counts 3 and 4, are the exact same thing, just starting with the other leg, okay? So this time we just went together, out, together. We're going to step with our left and dip, 2, left, dip, right, left, right. Okay? So we just came out of our, go into those dips, dip, 2, left, dip, 2, right, left, right. And now we're going to weave to the right. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to cross front and out, cross back and cross front. Okay? Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross front, out, cross back, and cross front. Tap right together, tap left together. Okay? So that's the hook. So let's try all the hook together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And dip. Right, and dip. Left, right, left. Now cross, out, cross and cross, out, together, out, together. Now dip. Left, and dip. right, left, right. Now cross, out, cross and cross, out, together, out, together. All right, that's the hook. Let's do it one more time. I'm going to count it out. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's the hook. Now let's do the verse. Those 4 counts. All right. First count of 8 of the first. First count of 8 of the verse. Okay. All right, we're going to take our right foot and we're going to cross it over and then step back with the left, step back with the right. And then we're going to repeat it with the left. Step it, cross it over, step right, step left. Okay. Let me turn to the side so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm kicking it out a little bit and then down, back, back, out, down, back, back. All right. So it's and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. That's the count. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. All right. So let's try that much. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick right, right, kick left, right, left. Okay. From here, we want to pick up our right foot, step it forward, and we're going to pull our hips and push our hips. Pull, push, right? So let me turn to the side. So we just went 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Step 5, pull it. 6, push. 7, pull. 8, push. Okay? All right. So let's try that much. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now pull. 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try it one more time. Ready? I'm going to do it to the side so you can see. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? Okay. Second count of 8 of the verse. We're going to, with our right foot, we're going to rock back on the right and then rock up on the right. So it's right, left, okay? So rock back, left, rock front, left, okay? From here, our right is up. We're doing all this work on the right, and we're going to turn over our right shoulder. We got 2 counts to do it, okay? So we're going to turn 5, 6. So step, we're here, step right, left, okay? And we're here with our half turn. And then finish the count out, step right, 7, step left, 8, okay? So let's do that again. Ready? Starting with the second count, starting with rocking back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock back. 2, rock up. 4, now turn. 6, 7, 8. Okay? So you're going to make sure to keep it straight in your mind. You're going to turn whichever leg is doing this work. That's the direction you're going to turn, right? Because you know what we're about to do. Yes, we're starting everything over on the left foot. Okay. So let's put those first 2 counts of 8 of the verse together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now pull, push, pull, push, rock back, rock front. Now turn 6, 7, 8. Okay. Y'all got it? All right. From here, we're doing the exact same thing. We're just starting on our left leg. So we're going to and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. So up, down, out, out, up, down, out, out. Okay. And then pick the left, bring it forward to pull 5, push 6, pull 7, push 8. Okay. From the side, what we're doing, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Let's try one more time. Ready? We just We just turn, rock, up. Now turn 6, 7, 8. Now 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now pull 6, 7, 8. From here, going up with working the left foot. Step back, rock back, and then rock front. Now we're turning over the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we just did our thrust, our pull, push, pull, push, pull. Now back 1, up 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let's put those last 3 and 4 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right back, rock front. Now turn 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now let's put all 4 counts of the verse together. Right? Ready? We're starting at the front wall. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick right, back, back. Kick left, back, back. Now pull 6, 7, 8. Step back, step front. Now turn 6, 7, 8. Now kick and kick. Now pull, push, pull, push. Now back, then front. Now turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. That is the verse, guys. That's the 4 counts of the verse. Now we got the hook, the 4 counts of the hook. We got the 4 counts of the verse. Remember, whatever's happening in the song, you do either this set or this set, okay? So now let's put all 8 counts together. Let's put the 4 counts of the hook and the 4 counts of the verse together, right? Let's do that, okay? All right, ready? Starting with the hook. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. We 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out and 6, out and 8. Now dip. 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now weave. 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. Step forward. Now turn. 5, 6, 7. Repeat. And 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Now thrust. 7, 8. Step back. Then forward. Now turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, that's it. So check out the video with the music so you can see the dance, the line dance with the song, the Mutt. All right. And I want you to do me a favor, guys. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together. I have so much fun doing this. I want you to have fun too. This is my Psyche Break. What is it for you? Let me know. Send me a comment. All right. And what else do you want to see? I am here for you. All right. So until next time, see y'all. Love you. Mwah.